Why is it so easy to fall into habits like overeating, endlessly scrolling, or binge watching shows, but so hard to stay consistent with working out, building a business, or nurturing a meaningful relationship? I've been thinking about this a lot and I realized something. Consistency isn't about motivation, it's not about willpower either. It actually comes down to a few simple habits, five to be exact. And if you're someone who is ambitious, who has big dreams, but struggles to stay consistent, then this video is for you. Because once you understand these five habits, everything starts to change. Number one, make it easy to start. The reason it's so easy to scroll or binge watch is because there is zero friction. You don't need to prepare, you don't need to think, you just open your phone and you're in. But when it comes to working out, or starting a business, or even having a difficult conversation in a relationship, there's resistance. So instead of trying to be more disciplined, reduce the friction. Don't aim for 1 hour workout. Start with 5 minutes. Don't plan a perfect business strategy. Just open your laptop. Don't overthink communication. Just send that one message. Consistency begins when starting feels effortless. Number 2. Stop chasing motivation. Here's the truth no one likes to hear. You will not feel motivated most of the days, and that's normal. We have been taught that motivation comes first and then action follows. But in reality, it's the opposite. Action creates motivation. The days you don't feel like doing it, those are the most important days. Because every time you show up without motivation, you're training your mind to rely on discipline instead of feelings. And that's where real consistency is built. Number 3. Focus on identity, not results. Most people say, I want to lose weight, I want to start a business, I want a healthy relationship. But these are outcomes. Instead, shift your focus to identity. I am someone who shows up for my health. I am someone who works on my goals daily. I am someone who communicates and grows in relationship. When you start seeing yourself differently, your actions begin to align naturally. Consistency is not something you force, it is something you become. Number 4, accept imperfection. One of the biggest reasons people fail to stay consistent is because they expect perfection. You miss one workout and suddenly you feel like you failed. You skip one day of work and you lose momentum. You have one bad conversation and you question the entire relationship. But consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about not quitting. Missing one day is normal. Missing two is where patterns begin. So instead of aiming for perfection, aim for never miss twice. That mindset alone can change everything. Number 5. Build systems, not just goals. Goals are important, but systems are what actually get you there. For example, a goal is to get fit. A system is working out every day at 7 a.m. A goal is to grow a business. A system is working out on it 1 hour daily. A goal is a healthy relationship. A system is regular communication, effort, and presence. When you rely only on goals, you depend on bursts of motivation. But when you build systems, you create consistency automatically. Now, here is something important. All the easy habits, scrolling, binge watching, overeating, they are designed to keep you hooked. They give instant rewards. But the habits that actually change your life, they give delayed rewards. And that's why they feel hard. Because you're choosing long term growth over short term comfort. And that's not easy, but it's worth it. If you've been feeling stuck, if you know you're capable of more, but consistency has been your biggest struggle, just start small. Pick one habit from this video, not all five, just one, and commit to it for the next 7 days. No overthinking, no pressure, just show up. Because at the end of the day, your life doesn't change based on what you do once in a while. It changes based on what you do consistently. And maybe, just maybe, you're not inconsistent. You just haven't built the right habits yet. Comment down below with I choose consistency over excuses because written words turn into actions. If this resonated with you, take a moment, pause, reflect, and ask yourself what is one small thing I can stay consistent with starting today? Because your future is built in these small, quiet decisions every single day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.